Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the DashingTrader, and today we're gonna be reacting to a hilarious Doordash prank video. So in this video, the Doordash, it's a prank, mind you, so I don't recommend nobody do this, but we're gonna react to it real quick. In the video, the Dasher delivers the order, that he comes back and takes it and holds it hostage, demanding a tip, demanding more of a tip or demanding a tip. Let's see how this plays out.
If you find value in this video, I need you to hit that like button and the subscribe button, because I got a goal of 10,000 subscribers. I'm trying to hit it as quickly as possible, and I'm trying to get this YouTube money. So make sure you watch all my videos and don't skip none of them. Stop playing with me.
Oh my goodness. See, this is funny because it's a prank, but I would never recommend nobody doing this right here. Look at him. That's funny.
Where's my tip, bro? Where's my tip, bro? I just walked up 3 flights of stairs, bro.
Oh my goodness. What is bro doing?
I just want my Chipotle.
Oh,
bro, I don't care, bro. I just walked up 3 flights of stairs, bro, and you didn't tip me, bro. And I drove all the way here 12 miles, bro. I don't have 12 miles.
Oh no, he holding the door. He's saying, where's my tip? Oh my goodness.
Bro, I have enough money for a tip. Bro, I don't care. You didn't even give me the gate code.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
You never even gave me the gate code, bro. Bro, I don't care about your grandma, bro.
Really loves
bro, I'm hurting out here. I'm out here door dashing, bro.
Look, all right. All jokes aside, look.
Give me my tip.
I can't believe he actually holding the food hostage, man. He like, no. Then he snatched the food and slammed the door. Wow, what a prank, man. That's funny. Look, I have to admit, that's a funny video. I like how they put it together, and you can tell this a prank because look at all the different camera angles they got. Like if this was real, ain't no way it'd be all them camera angles. It'd be one point of view shot. So you know, this is a prank. I don't recommend nobody doing this, but seriously though, let's not encourage this behavior, but we can look at it as entertainment. And obviously they worked hard on this and it's getting a lot of views, but I wanted to show this video because if you're a DoorDash customer out there, make sure you tipping your driver, especially if you got, you know, a whole bunch of flight of stairs they gotta go up, or you got a gate code. You know, leave them the gate code, leave the light on at nighttime so we can see where we delivering to and we can make sure that order gets to you. And if you have enough money to order, you should have enough money to tip. I mean, it's just simple as that, because DoorDash doesn't pay its dashers, okay? The customer that pay those marked up fees and those delivery charges, and that's the cost of doing business when you want your food brung to you on the 10th floor of your apartment building behind the gate code. That takes time and energy. So support your driver and take care of them. But on the other side, dashers, let's not do this right here. Let's not confront customers. Let's not go back to them and hold their food hostage, because it's just not a good look for dashers. And overall, it's gonna make dashers get less tips if we see more things like this happening in the news. But this is not news, this is a TikTok video. So look, shout out to the TikTokers who made this video. I'm gonna put a link to the original video down in the description, and go ahead, go over there and show them some support. But look, I'm your boy DashingTrader, FDA, and I'll catch you in the next one.